Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make white sauce pasta truly yummy. We'll start by selecting the best ingredients to build a strong flavor foundation. Then, we'll ensure your pasta is cooked perfectly al dente, providing that ideal bite. Finally, I'll guide you through preparing a silky, smooth bechamel sauce, which is the heart of any delicious white sauce pasta dish. Get ready to transform your cooking. Creating a perfect bechamel is simpler than you think. Begin by melting 2 tablespoons of butter, then whisk in 2 tablespoons of flour to form a roux. Gradually add 2 cups of warm milk, whisking constantly to prevent lumps and achieve a smooth consistency. Season generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a tiny pinch of nutmeg. This careful process ensures a rich and flavorful base for your pasta.
If you're finding these tips helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and like this video. Quick recommendation. On another note, if you love reading anywhere, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's fantastic for all your favorite books. You can find the link for this and other great deals in the description below. Your support helps us create more content. Now, let's get back to the video.
To truly elevate your white sauce, infuse it with aromatic flavors. Start by sautéing minced garlic and finely chopped onions until fragrant before incorporating your bechamel. For an extra layer of richness, stir in a generous amount of freshly grated Parmesan or Pecorino cheese until melted and smooth. Finally, just before serving, fold in fresh herbs like chopped parsley or basil for a vibrant finish. These steps make a huge difference. Now, let's bring it all together for a truly satisfying dish. Once your pasta is cooked al dente, drain it and immediately toss it directly into your prepared white sauce. This helps the pasta absorb all those wonderful flavors. Remember to reserve about 1/4 cup of pasta water. You can add a little if the sauce needs to be loosened. Serve your delicious white sauce pasta immediately, perhaps with a sprinkle of extra cheese and fresh herbs.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.